Yeah, I'm finna repot this lemon tree. Look at the state of this lemon tree. It done lost all its leaves, guys. So I'm finna repot it out of this 7-gallon pot. I think where I went wrong, I put decomposed pine bark at the bottom. I think that's what's robbing the nutrition from it. So I'm gonna up pot this and we're gonna see how it goes. This Meyer lemon here. Yeah, I'm gonna pot it in this. I already got it going right here. I'm losing light, but I'm gonna try to hurry and get this done. See how these roots looking in this pot. You hear me? That's why I like these favorite pots, because all you have to do is just squeeze it. Yeah, look how easy that came out. And I do have some growing roots in there. I don't know if it's just too cold for it. What? Because the roots don't look bad at all. What y'all think? How these roots look like to y'all? They pretty dry though. Probably need some moisture because they breaking up. It's pretty dry. I might have had it too rocky. It just looks like it's not growing, but it is winter time. But it do look kind of dry though, y'all. I don't really know how a root rot look. This might be too much of a big pot, but oh well. Yes, I'm underwatering. So we're gonna see if I can bring it back. I'm gonna have to give them a shot of everything. Might have to put some peroxide up in here first. Water it with some peroxide. I think that'll be good, and I'll just add some more around there. All right, guys, that'll do it. Hopefully it's not totally rot root, so I'm gonna go ahead and water this. I think I'm gonna do the peroxide. I use clay because I use a pot of clay. It's a white pot of clay to hold nutrients in the soil, because these pots does drain out. Let that sink down into the soil. Hopefully I can get those roots kind of healed up, because they're very brittle, looking a hot mess. I didn't see any dark brown ones, but a lot of them kind of look dead to me. I don't know, y'all tell me. This is my first go round with the Meyer's lemon and my fruit trees, so I'm just going with the flow, trial and error. I know all the leaves that fell. I know it's gonna go in a little bit of shock, but hey, I gotta do what I gotta do. I think the soil that I prepared for it, I put too many rocks in it. It's probably too rocky. So this time I barely put rock. I put a little bit more sand than rocks. It's not really rock, it's like decomposed granite, but those were some big pieces. And I put volcanic pumice in there for moisture uptake, and then it really releases its moisture. That looked like that settled pretty fast, didn't it? And the thing with those little 7-gallon pots, it doesn't hold water long enough. Like these 25 gallons, it just doesn't hold water. That's the gallon. Y'all keep y'all updates. Y'all seen how bare it looks. I don't know if the leaves fell because it's winter, but I thought it was evergreen. I keep them in the garage and bring them out when it's like 50, a high 40s, near the 50s. And it's just dropped all those leaves. You hear me? I think that'll do. I might not need another one, because it's taking its time going through. My tree kind of moved on me, so I gotta straighten it back up. Ow! Them doggone thorns. All right, guys, that's all done. But guys, I'll keep y'all all up to date on this. See how my journey do repairing this Meyer lemon. I tell you, that Meyer lemon, look at that Meyer lemon, man. That Meyer lemon is a mess. Y'all tell me if y'all ever lost y'all leaves in the wintertime. But it been losing leaves ever since I repotted it the first time. It never stopped, but I'm gonna bring this in since I repotted it, because I know it's gonna be stressed out. All right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all leave me some comments and tell me what's going on with this Meyer lemon. Losing all these leaves, you hear me? Losing all these leaves.